my dear friends, today we're going to make easy fish thoran and fish fry. Let's begin with fish thoran. For that I have taken here 6 green chilies, half piece tamarind which is salt, 10 shallots, 1 piece of ginger, some coconut and handful of curry leaves. First crush the coconut and then green chili, tamarind and ginger and finally curry leaves and shallots. For that I have taken here half kg clean fish. Add record salt to it and then the mixture. Mix them well. Add half piece soaked tamarind. Cover them with a lid and cook it for 5 minutes. Add 1 tablespoon of crushed green chili and curry leaves and pour 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and mix them well. Now our fish thoran is ready. Let's make fish fry. To a jar add 1 piece soaked tamarind, few ginger pieces, 4 garlic cloves, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, record salt, half teaspoon pepper powder and some handful of curry leaves. Grind them. To the fish add half teaspoon turmeric powder and our mixture. Coat the fish with the masala. Pour 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. Place a banana leaf over the frying pan and lay the fishes. Add some curry leaves. Pour 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. Cover it with a leaf and fry it for 2 minutes. Flip over the fishes. Cover and fry for 2 more minutes. After 2 minutes, open the banana leaf and add some curry leaves. Our crispy and easy fish fry is ready. Hope you all enjoyed the video. If so, please don't forget to share, subscribe and give the